warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In our lesson 1, we saw how to sharpen the column. So now we are seeing how to hold the pen or the column. I use the word column, because it might be a mark pen, it might be a pencil, it might be a chalk, but they are column. We saw how it's sharpened. Now we are seeing how it's held. And most of the scripts you hold the same way, but the curving and the stroking, the writing of stroke differs. Column, if this is our paper, most of the calligraphy script, we hold the column at the angle of 75. We hold the angle at the point of 75. Let me put like 75 here, because 45 it's here. Yes, now say 75 like it's here. It's, you see, the way you hold it, this way, you see, it has to go like this. If this is this is 75 at 75 degrees. See, if this is the line, the base where you're writing, the pen has to be like this. Okay? If it's ba'u, you just go like this. Okay? You see? The way it moves. I said it's written like this. Even if it's writing dots, you just pull like this, pulling backwards. You see? Pull backwards. If it's one dot, remember, we will come to see, but the one it's double dots is like this. But people, they normally modernize it, they also use two dots like this. But the official dot of the one, they are like this, but the one jali, you can use double dot. Even the one you can use double dots. But the most known that differentiate its dots from other scripts, it's a dash one. This dash one, even Riqa, it uses the dash one. That's why I said that some scripts, they have the same letters, yeah, the same helias, some things, they share things. So I said the pen is held like this. Yes, sir. Yeah, so this is how we do what? We hold the column. You see? You can see my hand. If it's right alif, you start with this. See the movement? Okay. Then we pull like this. Then this. So the way of holding the column matters so much. The way of holding the column, remember, it should be always free to move. Okay? It should always be free. And see, this is, for instance, I'm writing alif like this, because we use this smaller part, the tip. You make the tip stand when you're writing alif. Then this side you go like this in our usual way of 75 degrees. Then so this is a gap. This is like one dot. So before I go any further, we are still on our point of, see how a dot is written, dot dot. When there are two dots, just do like this. When there are three dots, like this. This is the three dots of the one, three dots. These are two dots. This is a single dot. Others, they write it like this. But it should be a little bit of square. It should be a little bit of square. So the most important thing is the way you hold the pen. The way you hold the pen matters most while doing calligraphy. Either either script, because if you hold it like this and you're writing bao, you will just do this. This is diwani. So even if you're writing for thuluth, you will just do like this. Remember the pen how it's held at the degree, then it comes like this. Okay, you know, it's on the line like this. There is a little bit of gap, but this is just a thuluth. If it's ta'o, it's written like this. If it's ba'o, so this is thuluth, this is diwani. But remember, the way of holding the pen stays the same. If it's jim for diwani, it's jim, you do this, you see, then you move down, then you descend. So this is jim for diwani. But we will keep on practicing. You know, the practice makes the hand perfect. So the hand has to be perfect, and it should be a little bit, how should I explain it? The confidence in your hand, it comes with the way you practice, the time you put in your practicing. It's not a matter of just holding the pen. No, it will take time for you to perfect your letters, but the most important thing is to keep on revising by writing, not revising by theory. No, practice. Calligraphy is all about practice. I may say, like, calligraphy takes 30% theory, 70% and plus, okay, practice, because you might be knowing much about the theory of calligraphy, but when we come to practice, or practicing the script you're doing, the handling of the pen matters so much. Inshallah, with time, this is the beginning. We still have a long way to go, but inshallah, with time I will be guiding you how to do things, how to write, because we'll be having some simple assessments on Sunday. So where there is a mistake, I can guide you a little bit. But remember, the pen, it's held at the degree of 75. Okay, just like this. You don't hold it like this, and unless you're writing this line on alif and other letters like lam. Lam is written like this. Okay, but remember, the size of here at the end of the stroke is always small, but it works with the way of holding the pen and the movement of the pen, the free movement of the what? Of the QALAM. I may say pen or marker, but I said I will be using the word QALAM so much because QALAM, it takes in the chalk, the pen, the pencil, marker, bamboo, even other stuff that can be used. Okay, so inshallah ta'ala, this is the little introduction to how to hold the pen. Remember, I've said the pen, it's held at 75 degrees of the towards the line from the base. The pen is held on a this point. Okay, so that it can give, even if you're to write a straight line will be like it's the pencil or the pen, it will have the upper point and the lower point. Okay, even if it's ba'u, it will have the upper point and the lower point. Okay, so that's how I said I will talk about the use of these points. You see, when you write like this point, it's written by the lower point, which I was calling point A. Okay, when I showed you how a pencil is shaped, I said there is point A and the point B, but this is the upper point, the lower point and the upper point. But when you're ending letter like ba'u, okay, the last point, you turn the pencil like this. Okay, you will turn the pencil like this, and it will use dirty sharp tip to give you this ending line of your together. And other letters you will see, like Jim here, it was ended by the last tip. You see, the pen, it just turned, you see, and it moves like this. And other scripts also, they use this upper tip, the lower tip and upper tip. They're very important. Inshallah, we will come to see them when you see dal in. You see how the pen ends, so it uses, you see the way it turns. So inshallah we'll be seeing them slowly by slowly so that you can understand them bi-idhnillahi ta'ala.